they work follow. Another week again, cause Dorothy don't drink for that New Year wash night. He don't drink. One call they use the maneuver for my present. He they pay me. You know what I do? And I do customer. I was let me the quick do and make me go church. Go enter New Year. My family don't they call me.
For sure.
But that thing where they do Dorothy because he says Dorothy don't drink. He want to take advantage of her. That why you the respond to the touch. Now me and the boy can get problems. How you the rough my friend like that because say she not there clear. Dorothy cause fight for inside my store. From that place now confess now say Dorothy more they go church. He said no they go church. Now my store he drink. They break on there. Me come on leave her. I can't carry my pikin. I can't go church. You know, say they want to New Year, my country people. As I tell you, avoid you go dinner water, you say block. Forget block. So block, they may not they block my enemy. You go say as I tell them meet up. I not go block it, but you go they see me. That is me for you. Block. You don't feel resist me now. You block now. Me don't block you since New Year wash night. You know, say they're there church. Pastor say. All things are passing. When it's when you know say you want to do this New Year, we're not good. May you rat for altar. Dorothy there among of people want rat for altar. Say I want to avoid you. I don't want you for my life. Since that day, me I never see Boditi to the ask her. Say we they do friend. Now that day we quarrel. Now that day me declare my enemy. That day when I leave her for my stuff for New Year wash. Now that day it finish. After that day, he got to say the hotel with one boy. Let me bring food for her. Say I be your slave. You will go learn how to cook for go. The craze. Now there he come to me my brief. I don't want to go give her food though. I come and said the other half of our friend. Why you not go? He said no, you know they feel free with that one. Oh, and you know they like me go that one house. After he don't tell me finance okay, no problem. And he said because me get party where me they go. Inside the party she they disturb me. Me no say she did the other of my friend house where say no one go. You know they feel free for they not like the girl. As me see now for social media, TikTok, they post say there too. They with teacher, they my girlfriend still they capable. Now me cut, I know even first. I go say, babe, you they say me they run the course. You know say I get picky. Why you know you eat for my girlfriend house? You know, now there, now me I talk rich. I not call answer her. I not talk to her. I take comment. I don't know. She call me. She call tell me say, watch next New Year, mo go club. Because of Dorothy, my picky cut breast. Dorothy go they push me say babe mo go club now mo go club carry pikin go give your sister be careful mama cause me please Dorothy I come follow I go beg here before I come this pikin come reject breast no go on agree because I want please friend
Mama not rejecting
because I want please you New Year still come now you say I still follow you go club now say I don't want go as this guy call me rich because she always tell me what was say Tanto the boy where you bought for your baby father never put money for your head we fit travel go France we fit travel go any what is they call her Malta we'll go run things we'll see come back now I say no they tell me say we are born for even though they not put money for your see big boy the chief fear fed this speaking I know they do that kind of thing. Now that one go to they beat me for say me there one place.
1 minute.
Then they see person in the farm because me not join her.
1 minute. He said 12,000 for bed. All of them they told say she lie. Una dey mad. Una never do party once. Now no money they think they do party. All of them they say 12K. You lie. 12K you lie. Una know how much of party. Una don't do big party before.
I really never said go do no.
Well, even as party, you know how much. One of the comments say you lie. 12K how can you use 12,000 to do birthday? No how much be party.
People wey that if I no get.
How much? Na error use birthday. Arrow na use. Arrow use not be naira. No must be party.
I go share. If I no get, I go share the YouTube of the birthday. Then YouTube. The papa put am make come grow meet am because na very good father he get. The papa they take care of the pikin. You know they use this pikin play. La. Even though me and he they get one on one because no way they know the quarrel. But this pikin, you know they use am play. He can do anything for this boy. One of the say now, I don't want to talk on way the comment section. Now God me and he get problem. Now Dorothy me and he get problem. I did it there YouTube. I go share and give a no gear. Make it go watch my pikin bed.
I want to go back, man. I don't go back, man.
So, Mama Laura, good evening.
Good evening. The year.
Now there, Now the matter for happen as he reach me and not call the play again. He come that time of birthday, and that time me don't hear say he dey follow that boy when I dey call him name since I no want to call him name here. My ex, he don't dey follow am. Now me come tell am say me now come tell the other of my friends say me dey vex. She come dey call me. I not call the pick again. I not call the pick. He call again. I call tell my friend call, one of my friends call say, babe, you want to do birthday, so they carry this girl call. Now I say, babe, he offend me. That means wetin say make me not do again, she go dey do. I mean, see, don't fair day here before. That kind friend, I no fit follow and play. But my friend come talk to me, I can't take wetin that one talk. I can't just dey talk to them. No, we just do the birthday finish. After the birthday, I only call everybody wey come so now thank you, now thank you. Now so me and Dorothy Asubaja matter. Now so our chapter it take close. As she say she dey call me, I no dey pick again. Me and you no get anything to come again. You can go find my baby father number. Now that one, me na the point where they call me they talk. So you can go find number. You can go call that man. You can go record am. You record am, not be the problem. You say me the for say man not change the word. Okay, you not go keep her for your phone. You can't go the share out for people. They go for TikTok. You can't share out for people for Torino. For because I say me and my baby father get one on one. Anything with that baby father talk for that phone. You know, cause I'm not 1 year. Love, I love him. Even though he say I'm the mad. I know I use that body. Me make a na ye yokba no beo. I'm not picking the person suffer. I go stay. If you say no what, okay, no problem. But if you say what, I still there. Now that one I got trouble. When I help me ask Dorothy Asubaja why he go record my baby father the share for people. Why he go put my picture for the Polo platform.
Mama, beg, tell the kids when they bring water for you, may you calm down, beg. Mama, beg, go me as a woman, you want to ask you question, no verse, I don't carry you go back. I know she don't say a lot.
Okay.
You say 18 years of friendship. Who carried this matter at media? Who carried it media?
Okay, 18 years of friendship, my sister. Who carried the matter? No, who carried the matter at media na Dorothy?
No, nah.
Dorothy enter media. Since when did they sagara? I never want to chop because they man. Now Dorothy carry last year he don't first saga me, but he not put my picture. Everybody where there will testify.
That is not nice.
If what is saga me for? Because I tell her say, Mama Nora. See what is Dorothy saga me put? What is first saga me put last year? What it make me call the rough for her? Dorothy come my house. He got one of our friend where they call Theodore. Theodore, I never talk to Theodore part or I'll keep her for another day. Who Theodore, what you call the stay with where they pursue you know where you go carry one room. That place where you call the stay for kitchen. This guy can't come my house. He call the cry. He go they carry those one picking, they order everything. As you see they sample those children. So now say, babe, not be a man, no, I no cook care. You not be a mama again. May you see try, may you see born. No, we are one way. My yellow of us when we gather come Europe, we don't bomb. Man, I look at that, more come. Say we don't bomb. Babe, may you find me miss, may you take bomb. He said, whether you see man, I said, man, no, they fuck you. He said, if they fuck her once, they're not going to do 2 times. They go leave her. That's okay, babe. No worry, get one folic acid. I don't know whether you know her. Yeah, folic acid now. Now I can't tell her, say, when I get belly, doctor write her for me. You they take her, they say they fertilize womb.
That's true.
Now I say, my friend, that kitchen where you they stay, but you go the wear Versace, they do give away for TikTok. But inside house, you don't get house where you they stay, you don't get your wardrobe. When you try carry one, is there a line a big guy, not the carry one in a apartment in the fire. Everything when I talk about be apples. Now I say, okay, no problem. I say, come on, my sister. Dorothy can go apply for me. He said somebody right say make it go boy pikin. Say na me. You can go on live video. That was last year. All my friends now know. Say me, I they use pikin mock me say make it go born. Now so if I take carry me come last year, oh, he not put my picture, oh. He can't begin the talk. Person why they close, person why they give money, he can't they mock me with pikin. I be one reply, but people, my family can say, ignore this girl. No reply. I try, I not reply. I not even let them know say na me they talk. that compass anytime wey dey any platform you go dey talk say that one he don close am any friend wey don chop him money wey don give you close you go dey talk am you go dey cause I go still dey the platform you know say I dey there I go still pass am this of recent as I see Dopolo for Torino oga Dopolo I go say oga o no vex o forbid Torino for now o because I no be person wey you do something wey you go drink water sleep o you hear my mama can agbo ya nwa maybe I no be that kind of person because if na 100 years I'll pay you back for you to plant my picture you no know wetin happen Dopolo come Torino as Dopolo come Torino for SAS diploma I can't see Dopolo normal thing I can't excuse am because I dey see say na dem dey back her up as dem dey back her up so now I say Dopolo you know me because I don't first see drama for Brescia one time when my girlfriend do something. Now I say, I dey see myself now they back Dorothy up because Dorothy, he don't offend me big time oh. See what thing he do me oh. He go there call my baby father. Me go come out for her that time. He no get with his saga they go. He say no man no come out for her. He no get matter yours they go on now. I beg. You know what he go ask Miss Golden go get back to me. Now say okay if not laugh for some me no ask. He can't come out. Dopolo no get my number. After 3 days, Dopolo call me. He call me, now go ask him. He said, Dopolo. I said, how you take get my number? How far? He said, not be my, not when they find when no they see, not be my number when they find they go see when no see. Now I said, okay, talk to me. I don't come, Miss Goldie. Miss Goldie say no snatch boyfriend. Miss Goldie say no record your baby father. What you go your happen now? You go open that. Say as he been now yesterday when he don't hear said the record don't send that for me for TikTok. Now when the person when go send out to come agree yesterday say he really do it. But enough let us say he record that man. Okay, now the Polo cut us what go happen? He go come go open a platform. Maybe I go the come a platform who can talk with him with the fight for. Now I tell the Polo say I know they call your platform. I know come. What I go do for a platform? Example, me want go platform. I know platform when I go. Now the podcast say, okay, since me no want come, make we rest. What it go happen yesterday? So I had the screw the gas. I had do customer. I finish. I had the screw the go. I just see Dorothy for one platform. What did they talk so? He say, you know, say me there they watch. He say, friend me no need the teacher and normal people for TikTok be telling me no, not be people where they TikTok oh, he telling me he surround them oh, underground people will go they call presenter for a matter because you ask me I take come social media so you call out the talk and say if we friend where be say he don't give you added money now that one me know what they hear he don't give you clothes he don't give you picky money he that one go see he can go call Dopolo or free cent. Because now me excuse no call, I not call, I not get no, but I only excuse when I say for Torino. Now no call, he say me go the caller, they call the this like as I hear that one because me don't they pump for her, me don't ready for her, I don't carry car. Now I write for comment section say, Miss Lie, you they lie. As you hear that one, he say, hey. He says, see you're fired down. People were there, they call the journal, they cost me because me. You know, because the rest people now Dorothy na me and now get problem. As they talk to me anyhow, me get man oh, me get 2 children. Me can go the fight for prick, and they care for prick. Now I say request. First time when I tell go, I can't go there. Now I cost in life. Now I tell her say you will get goats Toto where they drop West Destiny. What you pursue you for Torino? Now I tell fire the house. We don't quarrel for there. They can't drop me down. Me not still go because me, I don't ready for Dorothy. Now the brother called they shot me. I'll call a platform call they shot. One girl for inside, I don't know her. She called me and say, make they leave me, make I express myself. Make the matter calm down. Make they bring me up. I can't see come up again. Make I start to the quarrel. Now the girl called the talk. So make they leave the girl, the woman make it talk. The owner of the platform, like some of their person, if they insult me, and they try to tell us, say, I come a platform, call the shout for them. Now then the brother come to say, not be platform, I want to go talk. Now I go on my own. Now I bring everybody down. Now I enter my house. Not be as I do the last customer I had yesterday evening. Not be even my sisters, not be my brother, because I come from large family. People, all my family, many for TikTok. I just say, my customer 2 or 3, that day they look me now, they just share my picture come for me. I say, what did they happen? As I open my phone, the don't match my picture. Miss God is dead that they talk. Now my junior sister, that I come club up, say, the Apollo, now my sister be this one. Why you go match my senior sister picture? That one would call the get problem. Call the cause my sister. As I see, say, my sister won't carry matter where be say, no, I test that. Now I told my sister, say, rest. I'll go answer the call. Now I me take club up. The Apollo call they talk the matter. He say, me we talk of recent thing where they make me the verse. The old one, me come to say, nah. Elderly people go talk for me and Dorothy matter for those two things where say na me keep picking na me tiffy with them. Those two ya must see also get negbeme. Na so ke ma Dorothy, o ma bia 7 months ya flush no more. O we mo area. Because that time me and the quarter as with the quarter so. Because the doctor time I want money e be chilega no. Mo we ma be ma eva. On that time, a platform, the Polo Northern, I'll tell ya. It was 7 months, Dorothy. You don't let all the room when you say I bought before. Your breast don't reach me. You say my breast big. People they use money to go they do breasts. I like my station. Say and I mean there so. Now so I be people will know me. After 2 children, my first daughter is 25 years. Which one you get? No
25.
Now, so the apple, my lady, when he got a match my picture, as I see said the Polo, they enter one side, they enter one side. Now people come and say, no, come down for there. The way that they do the matter is not pure. May you go another platform where you for fear express yourself. Now the person concern me your husband, no, but he come to me say, na me call that bros Frank, na me call self love. Go they tell that way Sharon. Me go and now you know even another presenter he was social media now for that me take on contact your husband say brother now what my brother me go on a platform I want make this thing go viral. That record where Dorothy they threaten me for back before say if me talk any I go post her for her. Dorothy, I dare you post every evidence what you get. The one where I give a okay now small one me still get another backup. What till you get now I get? You dey intelligent pass me. Who are a bingo.
No, dear, when money we can see what you can do pikin no dey house no dey. Apartment for Italy, no, what you can use those money to do? Ah, Jesus.
That's not the matter. Say happen. Now she bring me come out yesterday. No matter what, you don't say you don't know what you do. You do me. As me that they do something else, you don't quarter for that platform. Why you still gonna give the Polo my picture me mat? The matter concern the Polo. The Polo never enter Europe. All this thing happen. He never enter Europe. Now me and you see what we see. Let's fight it. Dorothy, I don't hold on for year because I beg, I go respect people because me get people when me they regard, me they not first. I beg people say I want your talk today. Dorothy, me don't talk my own. God they cry, God they back like dog. I know answer you, but I promise you that a bebo, me and you, I go bring a call any moment from now because even no matter why I say okay, I'll bring paper for you. What I want bring Ojuju paper for you for? Now you say I thief your with for you still talk yesterday say that not they leave me for house, which is you never leave me for house before. Why you they stay with me? Me say you the thief for my things. I don't tell anybody if you know say I thief you 22 years now I don't do for Torino. If you know say I thief you, I bet come up, come tell me say I thief you. Before I come down now, may you come up. And if you know say na me carry you come Europe, come banners, because me not like that thing. Come up, come to say I be your madam. Prison when I go, I did there where be say people they fight. Now they take control horse. Now just lock. Because I feel get definitive for grant. That time whenever Maroibo, when I they find money, the work when you say they say I shall winning back. I don't even go all those rough work tell. I do the road works when I jam my boy come on me for suffer. Come up me. The Christ. I be like you will see the do what it they did not the rest. So Abuelama get to rest, you to the play with so. You to the blow whistle. Equal on me.
What is the blow whistle?
Now, got it to the blow whistle. Miss God, you have to don't retire beg. You have to don't wrinkle. You don't wrinkle at us. You fake Ganama. They for what did I call her YouTube. When you there Torino, you friend Africa's man, you know they tire. Body counts. My son's body counts. Her son's body counts. Me no friend Kokobiri. You friend Gamma. A final away, but you can't come out for social for YouTube. You friend Africa's man for Torino. Now fish you tell the exchange your toto. I get the video. You carry me go chop fish for there.
Who know it's only man no naka. Now only God knows it's still a man no naka.
That's the way I call you for 2 o'clock. You can't come 5 o'clock. So me, I know answer you again. Anybody when you want go match my picture, go match my picture. But after today, I know come match again. I go doing low key. Low key. If me are able to where that before what you say I thief, you warrant for what you buy about. You say what you say I sit do again. You say na me kill your pikin. That 2 things. I never talk BTF by your how you say 30 your with one where you wash for outside. I never talk BTF by your I don't want to talk again. I don't tire. I never talk BTF by your use passport. What, bro?
Jesus.
I take carry gas come una room. Everything where they happen for France that I don't know. Say you come carry gas room where you they pay. Because they convenience you for the room. What of brother? Brother, oh God, you say brother say one give you us. He can't play you money. 1,007. He not gonna give you. You not gossip this guy for me. That will help you. Where go carry you from Germany where they put you for camp. He risk and our friend that time for Torino where call different. He risk a brother. He risk can. He beauty empire there, you know. Na true brother. Na beauty empire teno Dorothy. He can't risk a go drive you come out for Germany. Put you, may you find money daily bread. At the end of the day, you're going to gossip beauty empire with Rhoda for me. Anybody who I don't gossip for you, bring her come out. You send me to talk about my senior sister. Now family matter be that. Now let her pay you. Now why go take? You dey hear me? Everything go still finish. If I don't gossip my baby father for you, you talk her. You say this guy there for the record though. My lady, you know what happen. Normally, if you born for man, you know they too sweet. And that kind of man will be say, una too know your see that talk say, una one born or una one marry. I'd say I come for prison. I don't say tell God, say God, if you give me the last chance to take come out, because that prison be working my head, not be small thing. I can't realize my mistake. I can't say God, I want but because they don't give me house arrest because of say I not get picky. Judge said the judge was wicked. Say no, give me house arrest because I not get picky one go train. I can't ask for deportation. Judge said no, they deport me because why? I married Italian man because he's a guest dealer. I never divorced. I can't drink bleach water. They claim because they work there. After 4 days, I can't revive back for coma for bleach when I drink. I can't still finish. I can't come out. I can't jam man when still feel say my womb fertilize. Una say where God they jealous me for? Goddy, no man, not there. Now me and you go prison the center, now we come at the center, but who go you expect me now they here on the streets? If Paul fuck, he go give Peter. If Peter fuck, he go give Abraham. If Abraham fuck, he go give Gogobiri. Emmanuel fuck, he go give this one. You don't fuck your toto once, you know they fuck her 2 times. What is there your toto? One boy don't tell me say after he fuck you once, he can't look you like man for bed. Way. Now your match, now you meet so. Now your match, now you miss. So everything when they talk, maybe they are not Richard. This one, everything when they talk, if not lie, Dorothy, are you bebo? Nene man, when we make game, Dopolo no yamate pitch me. You never conceive Dopolo for me. You never tell me say, lucky no ever use that pikin. They break their bone because say he tell you say he rubbish. You say you not get pikin. Say now lucky be the first person who tell social media say you not feel born. You not tell me. Say lucky Lala say you don't do the thing, you don't throw away forever. Say you know Lala give him my belly. Say you know forgive her. Say he rubbish. You not be the first person who tell people say you not feel born. You not tell me. You not tell me say you are a person that go donation the polo with material. We not gossip. What the?
See this place.
I beg my friends where the people where they make friend with me. Now man, I know first how they talk. For 18 years, this thing them I believe I know. As he saga rich, I never come disgrace her for any platform or go call people for back. Now he find me now answer. You call me now answer you. Dorothy, go tell the man now. Go tell the man why I go for some no marry me again. I bet me go beg me no marry.
Make I ask questions. Who fair bring out to social media? Dorothy, it's not good, man.
Now God the fair bring me come out for Don Polo.
Hey, he asked me, I can't see you want bless me. Thank God, say not send me. Oh, thank God, oh, thank God, say not send me money again. If not go for bullies and laugh me tired. Thank God, say no use. He not send me money again. Man, I send me your account. I want bless you.
The money we want send for you now, he go as for me hand. Can't send for you.
He call me. Oh, he say, oh, he just come out. Oh, they send money not there around. He goes so go waka away. So man, not worry. If you go next time, you go send her. Now I say no problem. After I don't ask you. No problem. Anytime. Not talking. Hey, Jimmy, thank God.
You know, ask her something. I go give you. I go to gossip you.
I don't ask her more. No, you don't get my WhatsApp number. Send me your WhatsApp number. Send me your account. I want to bless you. And I say, he just like that. When you say yes, so you want to bless me.
Now so they use money find friends, and not be say you get the money. Oh, na fake life they live. May you post your sister Dorothy.
And you ever try? You can't even remove her for inside the lesbian matter, inside the lesbobo. You can't even remove her for inside.
You can't do 2 weeks for my ass. See with the girl they play love the shall not come stretch my neck. Now woman, now say babe, what did they stop? He said man, no worry, no man, no worry, na job. That's a job. He said the guy now they like and fancy, they don't chop her money. The guy they send her money well, but he invite her, but he know see he want your goga. Now say babe, this is what you do, you know good. Now see. Now see. He said no be say they do, but here they use a set panel. Now so he tell me oh. You go they call people smoker. Dorothy can't swear if you never test Morocco or cigar once for your life. You know, you fit confirm say me not the test alcohol, I know they smoke. Now clear I tell the catch person. Dorothy, they wait you. Anyhow you want time. It make it raw. Until on the 4th you they come. I see your poster. Near you for Torino. Where are they? You don't tell where you come up for Torino. No, near Torino. Me arm you. Ghana say you not post me the polo. But this matter not be your own. No. The polo you match my picture. I'll see. Now face to face, me and you catch each other. But I see you be so this direction of Torino. Not I go. I like yeah. Hi.
Calm down. When the children bring water for you, may you drink. Calm down.
I know they drinking. Me you get energy on my own. Because you know what? As God is a matty picture, even though I give you 50 euro. You not say na person sister you want mat. You not say this person where you they want do so. He get family. Yeah. You go ask question.
2 years, not be 8 years old. 18 years by that time, a big girl or big boy. Oh. 18 years son, 18 years girl, don't they help him, mama, they do something, a lot, don't they walk? 18 years friendship. Hey, oh my God, that was a fear. Friend and friend of quarrel, they will tell them, don't use it direct. You don't go match picture, but you go to use it that person go must know, say, I mean this person they talk to. When they use it direct, they wipe her for media. No good now. Hey, Dorothy, what a presenter. Dorothy, you're trying to presenter. TikTok presenter. Now, wow, see Kento, they laugh pot. He did your body, you they laugh me. He did your body. Jesus. You mute, she mute, maybe she want to do something.
They fear anybody the Apollo. As you bring my matter, make you match picture, you go say this person a person mama, na person sister. You go call me for WhatsApp because you don't give you my WhatsApp number. No, you matter.
You can't born. Dorothy not born. They knock. Who know they do things together, they can't get sense.
I no dey fear anybody. Only person when I dey fear, when they respect, na my God, my family, and the man when I born for. Apart from that one, I no know anybody explanation. Dorothy, you tell me yesterday, you say you want go spoil my house. Go spoil la. You carry her one, you ya record, you ya tell tata toto. Go, run. If you can't go call her now, you go say make the blood where the pikin get, make you wash her.
Mommy, can't watch. Where's Papa? Honey.
My lady, I beg, tell your husband say I go dey look am. I want give my baby food because my baby dey important for me.
Honey.
We're not Ranu Dorothy. We're not a born of me. You will never fit carry belle reach 8 months. You will never fit carry belle reach 9 months. You can't cause my pikin enemy. Who don't?
They don't get the con, go back hair, go shave. They wait for the guys to not bring come. They wait.
You will never even carry belle reach 9 months. You can't swear for my 2 children where be say the senior one na 25 years he gets stop. Walk bell.
Yeah, go. One year.
I want to take care of my pikin. I dey looking for comment section. Thank you. When you give me your platform, make I take express my feelings. I don't talk. I don't rest. Go the back, they go. All my country people, everything what I talk so now be Dorothy life story. Now so you see the thief for Aushan. You got thief sharper and odorant for Aushan. Now thief. He will be thief the capacity thief. He will be thief the capacity thief. This one at Dorothy, even I want to talk to Ranan. Everything when I talk, so show on a record and a life story be this. Wow, bro.
What's beauty? What's beauty?
Baba.
The last time you were.
I know the fear.
Wait.
Why you come to Puerto Rico?
Adam, you see Topolo, Lucky Nez, all those one are crayfish. Yaga eh? Now here for the apple. Now here for the shop. You see all those Topolo, so all those one go talk tire. The disgrace when you give this idiot today, she not go sleep this night. All those one you better do so that tomorrow, if they see her, they'll first give her quick I don't know whether you remember when Posh Beauty, whether they do something, the passport lost. Yes. When they talk about passport, Dorothy, not be you carry the passport. Hey,
not be you or go kill you. Not be you carry the passport. You can't cost my children. You don't tell me say you wash with phone. I bet Beauty Empire with phone lost for the ass one a day. Dorothy did that way lost. He come me say you thief with phone for outside though.
Oh, salute boy. Something clear for this side. I hear you.
Grandma, I appreciate you. Thank you very much, and I really appreciate you. When you give me this platform, make I express my body. Now my body don't cool. Dorothy, I use this one. I tell you, say if you the ready, come with me.
Passport. What would do a passport in here?
Because he won't use a passport. He not trust you.
Jesus.
That passport for that time. I hear they laugh. If they say not a Dorothy Oshuki. I beg, guy, no gay. You do well. When you
Madam, hold on. Because me remember say you dey call that night. Say you dey follow and they talk say you don't thief on that day. Say you decide her that night. When me and
I did that. No, I'm not sure saying me be that.
Because I believe that you don't call that day. You want to be so that they make. I don't know who she called that night.
I'm not sure saying me. No, I'm not the picky call for that.
Okay. No. Because a pay no gay. When this guy travel go Italy, maybe see what happened that day. This guy travel go Italy. I can't find my passport. After 2 days, I'll be at the next day. Where they normally they keep all my documents because that I never they do the travel like that. Yes. So I see they do hotel work. I see they work for hotel. So as this guy travel, I go look where I put my passport. I don't see my passport again. Only my document come inside my bag. I come tell my sister that night. Now I my sister say, my sister, I don't see my passport again. Wait till they stop. Since when this guy take come up for this house? You don't understand. Now I come my sister for video call. Show her the place where they put passport. I say, if Dorothy come, I see my passport. Now problem between me and her that day. She understand. And she really come back. Mama, I don't know what's happening. You come back beside bedroom. Mama, your flash go to the place. Now so make I go look. Now go look whether I will see my passport. Now see my passport I pay. And then before that time, she can't get problem for airport. You understand? She can't get problem for airport. I can't see say this guy send me voice note. Before I come to make I wake up, make I listen to the voice note. She don't delete some. So then when she say she can't when she don't through with the police, then she can't call me. Then y'all get problem with police. Which one are they coming? Nobody come here again. I don't understand. I go
wait, yeah. What would you
block you? Oh, they call my phone. I bet.
Which kind of human baby all this one safe? Boss beauty, you do well. First and foremost. Okay, you got give things.
I bet no get my toto beauty empire.
They call her
Beauty
for
empire.
And this is a disgrace to Udana.
Beauty empire. Beauty empire.
Why you will not?
Beauty empire. Beauty empire.
Continue. Let's go.
Beauty empire. No, beauty empire. I want to talk to.
Anybody come here, I will block you. I swear. If I see anybody come here, I will block you. I'm gonna block you. If you come here, I will block you because when this guy they draw my matter for TikTok, they call you Mama Ole they want for TikTok. I beg you hold on, I beg, Doris. Doris, I beg you hold on, I beg. Now, because I'm good, I do for him. Now good, I do for Dorothy. If they go, they kill me for TikTok. I don't know. Let them say now. They send me video as a friend of mine. Now they send the video. Go give and say see your friend. Or they send me nakedness. So we say they show Bobby breast. So now they send and go give Dorothy. Say Dorothy, I better tell your friend make it. They very careful. All this kind of no good. But it got turned off for my head. Make the woman the verse for me today. She got turned off for my head. So I mean they share that woman video. They waka. Make the woman the verse for me today. But that one they just see they one corner. You understand? A passport you no get. A fine no get. This guy go Italy that period. Now call a find passport. Now call my sister for video call. Show where they keep my passport. If this guy come back say I don't say I really see my passport, it gonna be war for my house that day. True. I can't say she can't call me. I see miss call. Okay, wait till come make you call me. Say police just hold her for Bouvet Airport. Wait till happen say they control documents. Which document they can't control? You know great talk. Now say okay, no problem. Since if you say I miss the voice record be say sent for me because I know say that I see BCB say I miss the voice record when be say she sent for me. Maybe that waiting she want talk for the voice no say police control or maybe my passport the passport there with her but I not pick. So as I back finish when come back finish when she say she don't come back. Now my mind you tell me say go where you they keep your passport. As I read them if I no gay. If I me really keep my passport I will arrange and where.
Yeah.
Why say it just be on top of the place like this. Now call my sister. Now say you see what I tell you 3 days ago. Say if your friend come and see my passport for this side, na problem be. True, I don't see my passport. Now we take quarter that night. Man, I get a gui. We really quarter. Because they say one come up, man, I have to get out from my house that night. I don't know one of your friends when we say can't call. Any of your friends when we say can't call, don't call they beg for phone, that day. Una do well, una when touch Dorothy not tip my passport, you say can't tip my passport. Why how I see? You read say.
Where see? Now. There is no there the Gumagua.
I beg, beauty word. I beg.
Now, there is no there the Gua Posh now. Hello?
Okay, babe. Good evening, Afan.
Good evening, sir. Afan. Long time.
My dear, my sister. Not see, but my man. And my children.
Good fine. How are your children?
We did fine, my sister. Can they hear you?
Enogi.
Live.
Enogi.
Live.
Enogi. How many times I call you?
Ba.
Enogi.
No, even soon now.
Okay, you know say I take husband house. I get children. And you know as Nigeria men they do. You know say all men not be the same. Abroad life and Nigeria life not be the same. if you watch, not be life one to be the live for abroad. Not me, I call they live for Nigeria.
Well, go straight to the point.
No, you not say I. Hold on.
Let it be Nigeria of now.
Dorothy matter. Dorothy matter. Yes, not be Mr. to the entire husband, but I'm happy. Dorothy matter. You know say Dorothy. I dey shame to even talk about Dorothy because to me it's a waste product. If I call it waste my energy, it go be like say they stand so stupid. Oh, sir, you don't know Dorothy pass me. You know, true or false?
I know. Now Nigeria, you for no, I know.
Una dey 18 years in relationship. Me and Dorothy now, we dey like 35 years relationship. If me Dorothy,
yes, I know.
If you no fit repair am, you go stay away from her. And I mean stay away. You understand? I don't need those life. The reason why I just dey talk this talk, I don't call a no get drag a no get attention tire. I no fit get am. Now today they just write me now, just see they share this video with me. Now make me, I'm coming. Can't you see I'm on call? Now make me come online now. You understand? You know, they are not saying me you not do life. If Dorothy find me, call me. I go give you gist when you want here, but it's not even important. Because I know if I even reply, I'm feeling myself.
Adam, yo,
because
you get posh.
I push.
No, don't do now.
Me now,
Oh, sir, man, I don't give the titic name. Man, I call the name when we
Adam, yo.
No, for my story, you know, say I be a dresser.
Dorisi.
Okay.
Well, the titic name. And you know, no.
I no gay. Because of Dorothy, now me and this woman, they get quarrel. But when I come back for prison, I try to apologize. If they do better, I'm going to post her. Because now Dorothy said me kill the picky. She was aware. Dorothy don't fear who.
Larry?
Is it time this my lady said me thief before? Ask Doris. One day Dorothy not talking, but she did deny. Dorothy.
I'm not going to go anywhere.
You thief before.
Doris.
No, that kind of farmer. He narrate to follow everywhere.
Okay, I think at the year.
Not the things I fit try me una see settle. The reason why I no fit talk for una mother be say, are you where to put where them man? Woman, if not say like a woman, or simple where there you go not declare truth. Yet you can't see join that girl, can't see they do nonsense where they do. Do you know how painful it is when you not declare truth?
I tell you sorry now.
I don't know whether other thing better my man. Epilaseta, give my man Dorothy Kuku. When you're in Nigeria, work at Pokome. In a relationship, in a fucking Nekia, me wajani at the end of the day. I always tell and say, it is what it is.
When
I go meet there for Pama, send me a Dorothy, so they get problem.
Boss, when you talk about Doris, look at just now. I know her. You get. Now I know where Doris are this idiot. Now what better go be you? And I know what you me agree. That from the one. Doris. Now I know where they know they agree.
I ask you one question. You should remember that time when me and you read the talk well.
Yes.
I don't let the life tell you say I don't like social media life.
Wow,
if you dey do life, not because I dey always curse you. I know
yes,
then I tell you say you stop this life. Stop this life. I know they like am, which I know really they like am. You will not say I know if you dey like am, and you not say I don't see get children. I don't see the I don't smart.
That is not dead.
Yes, what is your
Dorothy mama? Dorothy ya bia we. Dorothy ya bia we, ma bia ne, ma rodo bia.
Boss, wait.
Dorothy ya bia we.
Ya
bia we you we.
Oh, we go here aga mi ekia. Mi omo je.
Ọgbà ya bagwa.
For your information, Dorothy, now make me as I get the first bell, as I see your mama, I start pouring for her.
Doris,
make it for call you.
Doris,
I start pouring. If your elder brother, no, but I get no. If what your elder brother,
Doris,
he said, I will tell my sister if we are till the concurrent, I wait 10%. When you go, yeah, say I for really they happy.
Doris.
And I can anything that has to do with your sister, I know how they talk about them. You understand? But the thing you want to talk, he said,
no verse.
And at the end of the day, when they fucking
not true.
Yeah, now you want to tell me.
Doris.
That colleague, that your head, that fine.
Bosh, Muja. Doris, I congratulate you. You married, eh? Me married, eh? Okay. Me pipier valley. You married, eh? You don't marry. You are using your marriage to what? Why are you using your marriage to me? Why do you
Why you go back on the shot? Doris, I got to fuck you well.
Doesn't you let it, Doris?
If you're where you are,
make them work with you where you are. Make them work with Titia. You have to marry another.
You don't need that measure. If you the second, you're going to mention my name. Doris, my head. Doris, my head.
How do you? Not you are telling one. Now there. Where you are there?
Yes. At the end of the day, Baba now at the end of
before I get up, I beg me tell Doris. You know that tell her sorry. Doris, I'm sorry, I beg. For that quarrel, that Doris had money. Now Doris manipulate everything. He goes, I agree. I know. I don't find you before. I don't do it.
I didn't say, no like as you know, call it when I was SARS, but you know all this one, all these things not lie. But what did Lisa all your son? Why I said I would be on your 2 years so when I'm a police area garden. You got tell me what did he pay me for? But did I go say, it's no SARS. I can call you. Not true. At the end of the day, what you always talking. Now, person when you first mention just now you first start for radio. At the end of the day, what I tell her, I say, at the end of the day, you go fuck you, dump you. You know guarantee what you to do. You know why? Number one, you don't get character. Number two, you be you
know sabi cookie dirty.
Number two, you be very dirty girl. At the end of the day, you go see do you, he go leave you. No, for change to see poor, he will come. But that are not the issue. But the major concern when I just want to call it. Major concern when I don't want my name to come out again.
How are you when I explain about here? Because it's true.
Babe, I know that you for Facebook to see did that whether with one loss. Share you did Dorothy birthday that day. When that get passed Dorothy hair.
Yes.
When the girl come look the hair. When we come to find the woman, Dorothy say, Dorothy, I'm for the back of you where. De John Kigino, Morokigino, Kokobiri, La Toto, Paya, Walkman, and Guemoji. Never them your Yama Gagina where Dorothy, or guy premature, no when they be premature, no Masuki, when they be Dorothy. Why so with the name?
Where's it? Now, okay, continue. Doris, imagine you.
Me to the area, I know me, man. Johnny, we're back.
Where's it?
Labuna tore igwa tore
eyan
na edara ti ogbo ki agbu e again o ki agbu afanu ko agbara
wesi la ni ka clear ore esin meni ne Doris imagine so ni we ma ge ni yas when you we ya we ni uzolo we se vege ni gwa magwa e ba ni ha we marry them me marry ne e ba do atie area gbewen eri unda awoya me ho me ni all those things with me and I just stay there ni na wa eli me nuga una ya kokoko gebe umati gbegun if you get me to the no verse again because you are married woman I'm a married man no time already learn here una just wala dete over the security when you a job to tell. Or say when I the post you came to tell me where you were. Ma, oh wait to do this guest or say where? Ma, oh wait, you want to disgrace your friend? Now let's see. Congratulations, we're married.
Epa, you no gree bring me up. Nah, this woman abonga ass.
No vex.
Nah, beauty abonga because she says she want talk to me. Allow mwere la Epa.
Hey, beauty.
Posh beauty. Osa.
Yeah, you know we are no more ban.
Osa silare oh, you say you want to tell me something, can't tell me.
Ola go marry no dori. Oh, the good. Why you Doris again? You Doris is one dey sing.
Daniel, back and guy, I want make you understand something, no gay. You dey talk and yours and say na Dorothy, na true you dey no Dorothy, na true me you dey no Dorothy fine. Wetin I want you clear for inside. Even if you and Dorothy get swagger, the reason why I no go fit swear Dorothy name give you that time be say e not really call for. E no be say me and friend with
hold on before you continue. When the matter they come up, Daniel, when the matter they come up, what am I when you learn it? What am I using?
I no go fit tell you that kind thing. No concern me. Me and person no dey play good. Does that mean say he go talk to all my people enemy? No. If you like her, if you follow her play, you may even play a better role in her life. You might even change her for good.
I don't want to change her.
You understand? Okay, if you don't want to change her, that is less for you. Me, I want her to change, and I need a better life for her. But with the area when I don't like, now be say, I don't feel that because you are my friend, una dey call or anything. Or me and my friend they call, I don't call the spoil her name for you. I not sabi that talk. No, I not sabi. I be want make she live a better life. I should cause she live. Mention my name where a Doris, a Esime, a screenshot, a for me. A Esime. And not they mention my name again. If you want to say Doris, talk about Doris. Not that they're gonna that S is very important. Now that S, now they make me the verse for inside. Me, I'll let you know. Doris say Esime, Doris say Esime. Now that S, now I don't want to the year again. You can actually talk.
There is no verse, but you see purify no get S now. That S can never go anywhere.
You put prick for my toto. I be you tell them when they fuck me. You tell them when not they fuck me.
Hey, go on, woman. Whether come reconcile, that S is that S. S is there. Come reconcile, then you go anywhere. You marry president. Epa is your S. Is your S.
No. I will never do time. If not, why you clap? They don't call family now.
Why you not call your file log for WhatsApp? Tell them.
Why you worry? I bet pay go.
Now that woman just let's say she be told say she get something to tell me.
Posh.
Fellow Nigeria, because I hear say Posh they talk and just say they say Dorothy now so my sister pull igbese for in neck 1,000 plus. He not pull igbese for in neck a pow. My sister want relocate go UK.
I don't want to happen.
My sister want relocate go UK. She can't find who she want carry, give her her 2 rooms and parlor for Strasbourg too. Yes. Do you understand? So you can't get one boy where be say Dorothy called a date that time for Strasbourg when she take come France. Then you they get. So the Igbo boy come to my sister and say, okay, since he be saying the hustle for Swiss and Swiss they close to Strasbourg, he go carry the house, he with his friends. Then you they get. Now my sister come to say, okay, no problem. He go carry the he go give the boy the house. Sister business she na her document there, and this boy that person will be say 10 days street, he go feel they pay the rent every month. So he said that now Dorothy go you double cross the boy. We go meet my sister. No, I see they see this boy so he wants to stay for France. So I see they see this boy. So if he start to date this boy, we be say he with this boy start to stay together. This boy no go agree make he come they stay for the house, and the boy still get plenty friends. If friends don't go still agree make he stay on the house. I can't tell this my sister. Say make my sister give her the house. Me no give the boy again. And she dey close to my sister pass. I want my sister. And I say this guy don't go fit pay your rent. If you give this guy this house, he not go pay. He go you only put base for your name for her to even pay 200 and something euro. When we say would they pay for potty? He know they fee they pay. 710 euro. No fit pay her. My sister say I bet na friend. Okay, now you can take carry a blessing 2,000 plus. Now you give my sister that period. That one now they relocate to UK. Now you carry the money, carry go UK. You have to go do necessary documents. Maybe say she needs When we say she want to do for UK for them. You understand? After how many months? Dorothy say no, they carry house again. But that one can't give her back in money. Yeah, you know they carry house again. When they don't go spend the money for UK. Now you don't put it for your neck. You know if you pay the rent. Okay, maybe you can't stay for the house. You say no, if you stay. You know one stay. The place they're very far for where she for the work. You don't get me no pay no game.
I did get you, my sister.
If you don't give her back, I don't want to say. I see this. So in 2,000 plus when you give her, ain't already go do document for UK. Or you gonna need to hold on. And you know they work in newborn. For here, let's be saying newborn, my brother. How many months? When they say they born. For years, but sister no can work again before she can relocate. Still today, don't you see they draw that money? You go normal money will be saying let her go spend away. Person will be saying one give house, you know let her give the person the house, make the person fee pay the rent. We base on more than home. That is person for person head.
How much can be the thing? Now you go how much?
That's around 900 now.
So a fake life is now will live. Go see all your friends now when I gather.
Yes, I know they own our money, eh? All of them they talk they own our money. You know they own our money. Now good if want do for a quick base for that one next.
Yeah, we are
I was me able to my Insta say that me give that money. You know go see she 1 naira. Go come and pay my 500 euro. Where
all your friends they don't phone, only you want remain.
Only Bese, come and pay my 500 euro. For you, they saga me because saga will continue for this life for me and you. Na eternity.
900 euro.
Come and pay my 500 euro. Come pay my money.
Na Italian passport it if I be na which passport?
I'm a Nigerian passport. Oh, I not get Italian passport. I never get France. Oh, I'm a Nigerian passport. When Buhari give me that year, that it is.
Una resemble one cash.
Somehow.
I make you 50 fan. So you don't forgive her now?
I dey craze. If I don't get for get away carry man, go give my precious daughter. For get away carry man, go give my precious daughter. If I don't get say for life, now life. Till death was pass.
No, not see her.
Because they help person now help. I don't know her before. Now my sister introduced her to me. They want to deport her for Germany where you did so a part. Now my sister carry car enter Germany. They go carry that girl.
I know that one.
Now my sister carry car with small pikin. That girl born 3 weeks old. Then pikin they will take carry car drive enter Germany. They go carry Dorothy conference. And still yet he kill us for our good. Go gather money. Make it better. Let me take do documents. First money we say Dorothy work for this for 1.something million. Now your mama now say na go. A pay no guy who surprised that they say you call him mama. Mama call they ask you whether you can get land. Ola we or wa me. 2021 for year. Now me say 1.1 million go give him mama. You say get land. When we say buy, when we say that they drag. I say that 1.something million go give mama. We say secure that land.
Maybe now another place to call him mama.
That land. Any go need him mama still chop the money. Him mama still chop the money. So I surprised one of the time I say get house for this. I say I know get bed make I dey go. I know they do saga again.
Thank you so much. We'll see. Ah! Jesus Christ. Surround yourself with people that cannot be like this. Larry, yes, when you got about what's when you were because I'm sure you are noir.
It's when you get not good.
That time get down. Wait.
No. Only a person.
Oh, wait first.
No,
wait, Damio.
Mama no my ass. Mama no my ass.
Only wait.
No respect.
You
see no like I respect.
Only wait, Damio.
There is low there. No, you know hard head.
People
go know say na. And you go break of 10 for call. She still for call. She said, the Nigerians man be. And you want to use one statement say, nah, you didn't want to get a fuck me. That word is what expressing Nigeria as a married woman.
Adamio.
I know they use the essay. She is not
Adamio, have I ever bring any woman yet and classify that person as my ex? Whatever, where you may malake. Whatever, and I can only make me give me name. Have I ever, whatever? Yeah, I will give me where there is no dead. In my sweaty yesterday.
Don't let my ex, don't let the hard ex food. You will say Doris Lord, who know am go know am. They ask us, say Jonah. Because they use me all the time, say my mom around my house, you will be happy.
I will about to it.
No, not good.
I will about to it. Where see me yana we. Dana no reman wo see am no gbadu. Imami where do tie me? Where do tie me? Where do tie me? Where? Obi osa kugwe kia na be the other where I said want go play before. I don't know you before. A godi no good way. No good bijoué. There is Egwi man. If I have ever in any way say anything to you on Egwi, sorry, man. Sorry. If you apologize to your name, why you meji? You claim me right. When we are me, yeah, with me. You are. If I go Egwi, if one or two people they tell me say, if I this way you do so not clear.
Where's like the Egwi? We are going to so near. Lord, don't
if
you come to mention, you mention
well. Dana here wagbe. Dana here wagbe. Cause man were there. Mama no very no ba vene. Mama no no ba vene ozuola.
She's living for Nigeria. Doris is living for Nigeria.
Yes, no, Doris is not there yet. Doris use her own money. You get? Oh, no kakabo. He use money to plan well for her life. And they talk on her. Itamo ga work so and have a gist. Now a gist. She used I don't know the house when he get then was about 5 houses they made but then she really used money well. Okay, you go get say for the man on me back more. No swallow no 50 by 100 they never wow. Check all her friends A to Z. Now this one be the bad head. Now this one they do presenter. Now this one they talk. If no tag back, like my lawawa. If I say make I can't play audio now, it will come take another longer time. We have had a lot for today. So for this simple reason, we'll play audio again tomorrow. That woman will bring this issue now. Just talk. But I want to let you know what's in madam. All those in Tompolo, them me at here lucky nice.
All of the door go see, go even reach this girl.
No matter.
See Sheila Pikin. He don't get breast. All of them.
All those the lucky nice.
They all born.
Eze here. All those one go talk tire. Here no man on down here. Here me beba 300. Here say. But the disgrace. When you give God it today, a lot of people confirm you now. You thief for supermarket, you even thief your own friend passport, take cross border, go do prick. No be say that better thing make you cross border. Prick. Police can't hold you. Later they can't give you back. See the way is your moral God. And Sharon, where they heaven, they disgrace you. You see the way Sharon, spirits take part for you today. This should leave a trademark with you. Say, next time, you don't, there are, now make they cover for you, see, this way. Not be today, I for even beat you like this. But based on say you be my friend, I can't do it. Before they will come push you. Now do they come in. While we are already gifting no one. You see the way Sharon spirit they drag you because the way they post Sharon children is not clear. If you have fair no we Sharon Malake also na zifana mutin.
I want to help you but again I misuse very
I wish you leave those Sharon children for patience easy. I believe say today now. Everything for the okay. Kadikwe are you to talk? Salo boy. Imabe guamba. Wa done we all. Hello.
Hello, Padobo. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, oh, brother. Mi e Dorothy no ho wa gbon sha we mi.
Ìbọn ni ẹgbẹ́ Dorothy everywhere yìí.
Dorothy ń dán wà ní kí Dorothy ń dán. Ọwọ́ bí ọmọ ẹ̀gùn, yàwó bí ọmọ ẹ̀gùn mo so a. Obi ọmọ ẹ̀gùn, ọmọ no yari ewe ke, ọmọ no dey we your way house arrest. Who put you for house arrest? You go the fuck man for your house. You want knock your house for radio.
I haven't tell me it was one I marry fucking you, babe. You like it.
You know they play with the girl, but you with the brother and a friend for TikTok. Now your friend, now your brother they back you for TikTok. You could go marry that one now. Cause unless that one now you can't get hope for. Why are you Dorothy? You are way baby.
Oh.
Dorothy ye le lo na go bi oni ga denya ho ko ni hu ayo ga. Ogi like ten luggage o wa si e yo si e no ya travel egbu e ba gbon. Ojo ki bi gan.
Can't we over down we here over down. My when the master we say mo put water for fire with the hot things. You want to light up the fire again.
Where she they stay for Palma, that how they fuck and they collect house rent. You know where they stay now.
Now I be before.
Nah. For another bridge for Palma for there. They get the man gets salute.